Okay, so perpendicular bisector divides the segments into congruent parts. So AB would be congruent to CB, AD would be congruent to CD, okay, and AE would be congruent to CE. Okay, so how am I going to find AB? What do I need to find first? You guys can answer me. Y. I need to find Y first. Okay, so 8Y plus 2 equals 4Y plus 18. Okay, so subtract 4Y. 4Y plus 2 equals 18. It's really sloppy. So subtract 2, 4Y equals 16.
Y equals 4.
So Y equals 4. Okay, so now we just have to plug that back in for AB. So AB, 8 times 4 plus 2 is 34. Okay, well, what would CB be then? Also 34. You can plug Y into both equations and it's fine, but AB and CB are congruent. Okay, so they're both going to be 34. Okay, I'm going to erase that and do X. Okay, so solve for AD and CD, I got to solve for X. 7x minus 6 equals 5x plus 16. Okay, so subtract 5x, you get 2x. Ah, stupid pen. Okay, add 6. I'm going to kill this thing. Two x equals 22. 5 hours later,
11.
X is 11. All right, so stop. Plug that in for AD. So 7 times 11 minus 6 would be AD. So that's 77 minus 6. And then CD would also be 71 because they're congruent. Okay, so we found that. I'm going to erase that. Now, we have to find AE and EC. Okay, so here is what AE is. 2x plus 2x plus 4y. So how do I solve that?
You should
Plug in x and y. Sorry, what did we get for x again? 11. And y is 4. Okay, so 2 times 11 plus 4 times 4. 22 plus 16, 38. So that's AE, CE would be the same. What would CA be? What would that whole segment going through, what would that be? Add them together, 76. Okay? So that's how you do those kinds of problems. Because you're going to have one like that on your worksheet.